wave is over as a cold front continues to push to the south slowly today. Our skies will clear out and the heat and the humidity will come down just slightly. It is still going to be a warmer than normal first day of August with temperatures along the coastline that'll be running in the lower to mid 80s. Charlestown and Narragansett about 87 and westerly. Inland spots are still going to be up into the mid to possibly upper 80s, but that's down a step from yesterday. And we're going to see a warm afternoon, but not as uncomfortably hot. Morning clouds to brighter skies at the beach today. A low rip current risk, safe sun time about 15 minutes. For the evening, looking comfortable. 83 early on. The temperature is dropping to around 70 by midnight. And we're going to stay warm and comfortable for Friday. Highs in the lower to mid 80s. Saturday's high in the mid 80s. The slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm this weekend, but majority of the